question I often hear is, are data analytics bootcamps worth it? It's a valid question since they're typically cheaper than a university degree. So today I'm going to go over what is a data analytics bootcamp, my opinion, and finally what you should look for in a data bootcamp. Before we jump in, I just want to mention that this is not a plug and not a sponsorship for any one particular program or bootcamp. I just want to help you make an informed decision on your learning pathway. With that said, let's dive in. All right, what is a data analytics bootcamp? Data analytics bootcamps are accelerated short-term programs designed to help you become a data analyst. They often take anywhere from 3 to 9 months to complete and can be done part-time or full-time. These bootcamps are usually aimed at people looking to break into the field for the first time or for professionals looking to increase their skills in an accelerated time frame. Ideally, they'll teach you necessary skills like data cleaning, data manipulation, data visualization, and along with that should be training you in relevant tools such as SQL, Tableau, Excel, etc. They're typically done in a group style setting and often help you with securing a job once the program is over. Sometimes they even come with some sort of money back guarantee if you can't get a job within a certain time frame. Now that we've talked through what a data bootcamp is, let's now talk about some of my personal thoughts regarding bootcamps. I'll start by saying that in general, I don't think most data analytics bootcamps are worth it. They're often very expensive, very time consuming, and can vary greatly in quality. I've seen bootcamps that charge upwards of $10,000 and just direct people to third-party resources like DataCamp videos or GitHub resources. Totally a ripoff. They're basically scams directed towards desperate job seekers who just don't know any better. Not every bootcamp is like this, but you should definitely be careful. And the cost is another big factor that tends to turn me away from these types of programs. Yes, they're usually cheaper than a formal education, but even then, they're still usually more expensive than the average person can afford. I can learn just about anything I need to know about becoming a data analyst through online courses that are way cheaper, a fraction of the cost, sometimes even free. This is how I broke into the field, so I'm a little bit biased, but I'm a huge fan of anything that keeps the barrier for entry low. I know I wouldn't have been able to afford one of those courses, and so I know a lot of other people out there won't be able to afford them as well. But all this begs the question, are there any good data bootcamps out there? So let's talk about what to look for. While I'm not going to go over any specific bootcamps in this video, I will tell you what to look for in a good one. The first is mentorship. Any halfway decent bootcamp will offer some sort of one-on-one mentorship. If you're not getting this, then don't even consider it. Another thing you want to see is proprietary teaching material. You should be getting live demos or recordings that you can't find anywhere else. If they're directing you to third-party platforms for your learning, that should be a hard pass. The third thing is project-based learning. You should be creating projects and building a portfolio through a program like this. If you're not, then you're wasting your time because you're gonna have to make something like this anyway if you want to get a job in data. That's at least true if you're pivoting from a non-technical field. Another thing is you should also be learning more than technical skills. This should include soft skills, how to stand out in the data job hunt, networking, interview prep, anything that's going to help you. It should be more than just learning some fancy tools. And lastly is the cost. This is a bit subjective, but if you're spending anywhere near or above $10,000, you're spending way too much in my opinion. Again, there's so much free and cheap material out there that a program like this has to be reasonably priced and has to provide value. This is especially true since you're not earning any sort of actual degree. Again, I'm a big fan of keeping the barrier for entry low for people who want to pivot into a field like this, so I'm gonna be critical towards these types of programs, especially since a lot of them are just trying to rip people off. So those are my thoughts. Again, I don't think that most data bootcamps are worth it since you could learn most of what you need to learn online, but I know that there are some niche programs out there that really can help people, especially when they're not trying to take advantage of you. Again, some key things to look for are mentorship and proprietary learning. If they emphasize that, then that's a pretty good sign. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe. Also, if you want to become a data analyst and you don't know where to start, I recommend checking out this video where I go over how I would become a data analyst if I had to start over. Again, thanks everybody, and I'll see you in the next one.